The transformer provides the low voltage reference that allows the blower motor control and the thermostat to communicate and operate properly. The transformer converts the high voltage incoming power to 24-volt alternating current that feeds the entire control circuit, including the thermostat, relays, control board, and safety devices. When diagnosing blower motor control issues, start by verifying the transformer's secondary voltage with a multimeter set to measure alternating current and compare it to the rated 24-volt output under load. If the voltage is significantly low or fluctuates under load, replace the transformer rather than attempting repairs because internal winding faults can be intermittent and cause hard-to-trace problems. Ensure the transformer's primary and secondary connections are tight and free from corrosion, and that the mounting does not allow vibration, which can stress terminals over time. Use a properly sized transformer that matches the control circuit current draw, plus a margin of at least 20% to avoid overheating during high-demand periods. Always isolate power before working on the transformer and discharge any capacitors on the control board to prevent shock. Common mistakes include assuming a thermostat or control board fault when the transformer is weak. Test the transformer's under load voltage first to avoid unnecessary component replacements. Another issue is undersizing the replacement transformer. Match or exceed the original current rating to prevent voltage sag and thermal shutdown. A third common concern is poor wiring or loose terminals causing intermittent connections. Remedy this by tightening connections, replacing degraded wire or terminals, and using dielectric grease on low-voltage terminal screws when appropriate to reduce corrosion. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world troubleshooting tips and contractor experiences related to transformer and blower motor control issues.